So, the difference between fuzzy logic and probability. Many of you might be confused and might be thinking that fuzzy logic and probability are two very like very alike things. But actually that's not quite true because probability it's actually applied in systems where there are a lot of randomness and we have some unpredict parameters. But the fuzzy logic is applied on systems where you have vague linguistic words, when you have imprecision, when you are uncertain about a very particular word. What does it mean? That's where the fuzzy logic comes in place. So, for example, we take an example in order to understand, to have a better understanding. In medical diagnosis, a patient's symptoms, like mild fever, moderated pain, cannot be precisely quantified with probability, but can be effective but can be effectively represented using fuzzy sets. We can say that what is mild fever, what is moderated pain, somewhere in between 0 and 1. Is it very painful, not painful, averagely painful? But there is nothing to do with probability because we are certain about this patient having a moderated pain. In contrast, probability is more appropriate for statistical predictions and risk assessment, where the outcome is influenced by chance rather than subjective degrees of truth. It's not something that is related with the human reasoning. It's something that is related with the randomness of of a certain thing. We are not always sure about the weather. It can be changed in just one parameter. When one parameter changes, everything will be changed. That's where the probability comes in place and can be very strong.
أخيرا وختاما أريد أن أبلغكم بشعار قناة روبوت إكس أند مور من أجل جيل هندسي مبدع. For a genius engineering generation. إلى هنا أقول لكم أعانكم الله